We're good, thank you.
Figured it out? Know where you're going?
Yep.
So I have a question for you.
Yes.
What's been more popular, your flying around videos or your actual doing the work on the plane videos?
Work on the plane video. Every time there's a work on the plane video, people watch it. It is completely, that's the one that people watch. Even Chris and I just changing the oil.
Do you then start the work now of the handshaking and the blah 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 to do a different plane? One with two props that goes faster.
Oh. I don't know.
Based on the response to this,
Yeah.
the videos done for this one, would, you know, all these people get on board to do a different plane, a bigger plane, one that more people fly?
Maybe. So
That's what I'm saying. Before you jump into it first and buy the plane first,
yeah.
put all your ducks in a row, spend a year, put all your ducks in a row.
Something like the blue and white plane that was there, it looks
Yes.
exact, not the one with the two props.
Okay.
The one that was farther
Okay.
along. It's essentially this plane, except it was a 182, I think.
Okay.
This is a 172.
Yeah.
There's a 175. There's a 177, but it's the same size. That's a 182, so it's just a little bit bigger. Bigger engine, faster, more payload. Like it's just a bigger plane, but it looks the same.
It's the Mini. What do they call the Austin Mini?
Yeah.
It's the one with the
Countryman.
Countryman.
With all the bigger stuff.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. And that's the one you see most times on floats and. I mean that could be a good idea, Jules. Start now talking to people about what modifications we could do and
Clearly you weren't interested in two props. That's too big apparently for Glen. You would have to learn how to fly it.
It's a whole other kettle of fish. And the cost to fly it is it's not even twice, it's probably 4 times.
Oh.
Like it's stupid how much more they cost to run.
Okay.
Because they're 2 engines, but they're also much larger engines.
I'm just asking.
Yeah, no, it's like that gets into stupid money.
Well, maybe eventually that'll be the third plane.
Yeah.
When we're ready for stupid money, because there's enough people on board.
And then maybe we won the lottery.
And we're both quitting.
And we're both quitting and we just do a plane because we're going to do a plane.
Oh, I'm not doing the plane.
Okay.
Just let me get this clear.